Hi and welcome to 32 Cougar Street, Indooroopilly. I'm Karen Simons. Since purchased in 2018, the owners have taken this home on a journey into the modern era. Now walk-in ready for you to move in and just enjoy. The brick-rendered front facade has transformed the home, creating an impressive garaging for 3 vehicles. The upper level takes advantage of the elevated position and cool breezes. Open plan living and dining has direct access to the front and rear verandas. It includes 3 generous bedrooms that are serviced by a family bathroom. The lower level is devoted to a parent's retreat with generous master and adjoining dressing room and ensuite. Further option for another bedroom or a home office. A second family room on this level and a well-equipped laundry completes the story. Young families will appreciate the lower level entertaining flowing to a large pool and spacious yard. So if you'd like to end your searching, I look forward to seeing you here soon.